each plate has an area of 6 meters squared. Okay, so given yung area, calculate the heat exchange between plates for the following cases. A, yung surfaces daw natin are black, and B, plates have an emissivity of 0.5. So yung black na tinutukoy dyan is hindi yung kulay. The surface natin is black body, therefore yung emissivity natin is at 1 emissivity ng dalawang surface. Now, for unang-una, for A, sabi natin may dalawang surface. Temperature na muna is at 900 Kelvin. So this is 900 Kelvin. And P2 natin, that is equal to 500 Kelvin. So sabi dyan, surfaces are black. Therefore, emissivity ng 1 natin is equal to 1. And emissivity ng 2 is equal to 1. So, tingnan ulit kung anong klase ng problem, tapos tingnan kung ano yung cases na gagamitin natin. This time, yung problem natin is nagpo-fall pa rin under sa case 1. Diba? Under case 1 pa rin yan. So, transfer heat between two parallel plates. So, net radiation mula dun sa T1 papunta dun sa ating T2. Now, for case A, if emissivity is natin are black, so makukuha natin yung emissivity bar at 1 over emissivity 1. Since case 1, di ba? Case 1. 1 over emissivity 2 minus 1. So, kung lahat ng yan 1, mangyayari, emissivity bar, 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 minus 1. So, ito, 1 over 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0. So, 1 over 1 that is also equal to 1. Therefore, yung emissivity bar natin, if both surfaces are black, so equal din yan sa 1. Punta na dun sa Stefan Boltzmann's law, net radiant heat transfer, heat exchange from 1 to plate 1 papunta dun sa plate 2. So, emissivity bar times yung Stefan Boltzmann's constant times area, T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4. Okay, so emissivity bar natin is that is equal to 1 times yung ating Stefan Boltzmann's constant, 5.67 times 10 raised to negative 8 watts per meter squared Kelvin to the 4. Times yung area natin, so area, so same yung area nila, so net heat exchange. So net heat exchange meaning mas malaki yung radiant heat transfer dito since mas mataas yung temperature niya kaysa dito. Therefore, mas mataas yung rate ng radiant heat transfer dito. So yung net, kukunin natin yung in terms of area 1. Yung gagamitin natin is yung area 1 at meters squared. Okay? Times temperature 1, which is 900 Kelvin to the 4th, minus temperature 2, 500 Kelvin to the 4th. Okay? Yung unit niya naka-Kelvin to the 4th. Maalis yung Kelvin to the 4th, makakancel yung meter squared, matitira dyan is naka-watts. Review natin from 1 to 2 is equal to how many? 100.9 times 10 raised to 3 watts. Eh, yan yung ating case 1. Now, for case B, diba, for B, sabi dyan, plates have an emissivity of 0.5. If we have two plates ulit, same temperature, T1 is 900 Kelvin, T2 natin is 500 Kelvin. So, emissivity 1 natin now, 0.5. And emissivity 2 is equal to also 0.5. So, emissivity bar is equal to, under case 1, 1 over 1 times emissivity 1 plus 1 over emissivity 2 minus 1. So, emissivity bar, 1 over 0.5 plus 1 over 0.5 minus 1. So, that is equal to 0.33 yung emissivity bar natin. So, then, gamitin na ulit. Kung ako yung emissivity bar, punta ulit dun sa ating formula. Q1 to emissivity bar, constant, area, T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4. Okay, pag nakuha na yan, Meron na tayo dito, may area, may constant, giving yung dalawang temperatures. Makukuha natin yung Q1 to 0.33 times constant natin, 5.67 times 10, negative 8 watts per meter squared, Kelvin to the 4. Yung area natin, so that is 6 meters squared, times yung temperatures, times yung temperatures natin at 900 Kelvin raised to 4 minus 500 Kelvin raised to 4. So, maka-Kelvin to the 4. Maka-cancel yung Kelvin to the 4, maka-cancel yung meters squared. So, yung Q natin from 1 to 2, that is equal to 6,000. 0.64 times 10 raised to 3 na naka-watts. So, 66.64 times 10 raised to 3 raised to 10 watts. So, tingnan nyo, mas mataas yung radiation kapag 200 watt yan, hindi yan 229. So, that is 200 watt. Mas mataas yung radiation kapag black body. Kasi diba sabi natin, once na black body, iniimit niya yung lahat ng radiation. So since kalahati lang yung emissivity ng dalawa, almost na kalahati din yung inimit na radiation ng body natin. Hindi totally na i-emit yung radiation. Yan yung for case A and case B natin. So this is for case A. Kasi na lang natin yung figure. Dapat.
Mana sir? Sa transition.